you how to make a heavenly coconut shake. You'll need a young coconut, ice, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and my secret ingredient, sugar syrup. Remove the soft husk from this coconut, cutting on an angle. Once you've removed all the husk from the top of the coconut, you're going to get a cleaver knife. See, that's what I've removed. And with the heel of the cleaver, I'm going to kind of stab into the coconut. You need a hefty stab a couple of times just around the coconut. Once you've done it a few times, you'll be right. Usually if you give it a couple of stabs, like where that cross is in the middle, it should lift up like I'm doing here. Just be careful because there's a lot of coconut juice in this coconut. And just like that, you can peel it up. In a blender cup, you're going to pour out the coconut juice. Then with a spoon, you're going to scrape out the coconut meat. Then you're going to add that to the juice. You're also going to add some sugar syrup to the juice as well. Then you're going to give it a good old squirt of the evaporated milk and the condensed milk. Give it a good old blend. Add your ice, pour it in, and guys, enjoy. This is my favorite. Cheers, guys.